Nude Stick PR? No, I'm just joking, but thank you so much, Abby. I am so excited to finally film this video. I basically, I guess, just I enter a lot of giveaways. So I entered a giveaway with Abby. She is the queen, makeup and everything, and I love her so, so much. And I won a giveaway. I've literally never won a giveaway in my life, so I am so excited. So I'm filming both on my camera and on my phone. So I am so excited. I'm gonna grab a knife. I'm just making sure like no one's address is showing. I'm literally standing and filming this. I'm so freaking excited. Oh my god. You guys. I'm trying. Are you kidding? Abby. OMG. Okay. Okay. Are you kidding? A much needed mirror. Yes. Okay. Amazing. This is literally filled to the brim, you guys. So, holy moly. Tarte Man-Eater Blush. Are we kidding? This shade is Barbie. Barbie. I don't even know where to keep all this right now. And then, how do I say it? Say. I'm gonna call it Say, because there's a lot of Say products in here. This is in the shade Baby. This is a dewy blush. Oh my gosh. And then Bumble & Bumble Thickening Dry Spun Texture Spray Light. OMG. I love Bumble & Bumble. They are amazing. Holy shoot. Look at that, you guys. I just did my makeup at MAC, so I don't want to mess up my highlight. But oh my god, Fenty Skin! I have been dying to try this. This is the Invisible Moisturizer with 30 SPF. We love. Guys, I'm glad I'm standing and doing this. Lily Lashes in the style Milan. I want to make sure it's Milan. Yes, Milan. Love Lily Lashes. Oh my god, Abby! Ugh, I'm obsessed. The Fluffy Brush. This is a powder brush from the same Say brand. Okay. Oh, is this where the... No, there's a different brush. Okay, then this is just another brush. This looks like a foundation brush. And then, oh my goodness, the Say... What is this? The Glowy Super Gel. I have to take a photo of this. Hold on. I had to take a moment break and literally, I might insert it in here. Otherwise, thank you so much, Abby. I'm going to continue, but seriously, this is insane. Like already, I had to move some things from this little drawer over here. I can't even speak. This is insane. Now we continue. So, next up is this Jane Iredale Hyaluronic Acid Lip Treatment. You guys, this is insane. I have been looking for a lot of new lip products, so Abby, seriously, I literally am so nervous about showing addresses. Then this is the Jane Iredale, the same one. This is the Beauty Prep Hyaluronic Acid Serum. You guys, this is surreal. Surreal. Oh my gosh, so many of these. I love this. Seriously, Abby? Oh my god. This is the BB Thickening Full Form Soft Mousse from Bumble & Bumble. And this is the Dry Spun Texture Spray from Bumble & Bumble as well. Literally, you guys, these two, plus, oh my god, there's makeup falling, plus the Thickening Dry Spun Texture Light Spray. Oh, this is the regular spray, and then this is light. This is crazy. This is insane. This is the best day ever. What is this? Whipped Scalp Scrub infused with a trio of nutrient-rich seaweeds. What? Bumble & Bumble? Are you kidding? You know what I really want to do is try Bumble & Bumble's salon in New York. Okay, then the Too Faced Cloud Crush Blurring Blush. Now, I will say, I just filmed a Get Ready With Me at MAC. You heard that correctly. Not for MAC, at MAC. And when I tell you these blurring powders, game changers. Like, do you see no creasing? Like, my mom was like, what the F is on your face? I need that. And then I was like, wait, try this liquid highlighter, which I think they said was kind of limited edition. Okay, so I am literally obsessed. Next up is the Ilia multi-stick shea butter, orange peel wax, and avocado oil multi-stick. Y'all, this is crazy. This is like a dream come true. I've always wanted to do a PR unboxing, but like this is even funner because it's all different brands, and like today feels like a dream. This is another one. So she gave me literally, Abby, are you kidding me? Hold on, I can't even fit this all in my hand. She gave me 3 of these, you guys. I don't know what my life is. Oh my gosh, just God bless. Okay, oh my god, we're finally coming to the bottom, which is kind of sad. I don't want this to end. This is the Too Faced Laminating Brow Wax Fluff and Hold. Too Faced's packaging? Are we kidding? I'm obsessed. What am I not obsessed with though? Like honestly, everything in here. Okay, this is like insane. This is the In Beauty Project Sips and Lips Duo. I'm obsessed. I don't even know where to keep all this. Okay, then we have, did she really give me a phone? I have been dying. I can't. I have been dying for a cell phone charm like this. Are you kidding? I'm never gonna take this off my phone. From Casemates. Are you kidding me? Guys, I really don't know where to keep all this. Okay, then there's a note on the bottom. Wait, what is this? Oh my gosh. What is this? Okay, this is the Rimmel London Madam Web Scandalous Volume On Demand mascara. I was about to say eyeshadow. I'm overwhelmed. This is insane. I literally have to go keep this on my bed. Oh, did my light just... Okay. Okay, now there are... Ooh, I'm just gonna keep this on the floor. Okay, now these are the final lips. It's like the final rose in The Bachelor. Oh my gosh, Rimmel London Stay Glossy. So gorgeous. I love these kind of nude shades. Oh my god. I'm already picturing the lip combos. Then we love Madam Web. This is Stay Glossy. It's just like a clear gloss. It's stunning. Oh my god. Then, oh my gosh, I have been dying to try Tower 28's lip balm. And if this is tinted, is it? It totally is, you guys. I better be so careful in white today. I've been filming all day in different variations of like white tops. I better be so careful. Then another Stay Glossy from Rimmel. So gorgeous. This is so much stuff. This is crazy. And then another one, but it's sparkly, from Miss Rimmel London Stay Glossy Madam Web. You guys, this is so surreal. So surreal. And last, but certainly not least, Oh Sol Mio. Leave it to me to end this without me knowing how to pronounce this. This is insane. Like, thank you so much, Abby. Seriously, I don't know where to look at my camera or my phone. Thank you so much. Guys, Abby is amazing and so generous and so kind to share all of these products with me. Oh my gosh. So she wrote, I hope these goodies brighten your week. Thanks for all your love and support. I love you, Abby. The way I'm gonna frame this and just like, at this point I want to start like a shelf and manifest some PR of my own. And yeah, so thank you so much, Abby. There we go. Thank you so much, Abby. Seriously, you're stunning, you're amazing, you're like the best human being ever. This box is officially done, but the content will not stop. Now I'm so excited to do first impressions. I'm so excited to just, I'm gonna film it on my phone, because if I moved my camera, you guys would die at this setup right now. There's so much going on and I'm so excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you again to Abby. Seriously, this means the world to me, and I'm so excited to do so many videos with all of these exciting products.